loose. Down and out, Dobish able to keep it out. And Landeskog's stick shattered. He tried to deflect in front. Here's Demidov dropping it back. Spin around with Slafkovsky. Cutting it across. Score! What a passing play! The setup again. Slafkovsky to Demidov. And the Habs have life.
Talk about reading off of one another. I mean, this little play at the blue line is just awesome. A little drop, but Demidov says, okay, where can I go to get this pass back? That is the processing ability of Demidov. And when you have Slafkovsky playing with so much confidence right now, it is